Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, 23rd October 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 12th of September, 2024, our system has ranked Meta as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.54. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 7.25%. This equates to an average return of 0.24% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock currently rests within the lower section of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents an excellent buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $561.60 be breached, it would initially signal a deceleration in the rate of increase and could also serve as an early indication of a potential trend reversal. Analyzing the 3-month trend reveals a possible change of around 23.73% over the upcoming 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from 23.28% to 36.12%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected change of 66.63% over the next year, with expected returns between 52.08% and 79.88%. This equates to a price range of $857.26 to $1,013.99 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Meta brings you the headline: Meta stock price down 3.15% on Wednesday. The Meta stock price experienced a decline of 3.15% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024. The price dropped from $582.01 to $563.69. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated 4%, with a low of $562.50 and a high of $585. Over the past 10 days, the price has decreased in 6 of those days, totaling a decline of 4.54% during this period. Additionally, trading volume increased by 5 million shares on the last day, although this occurred amid falling prices. This increase in volume may serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slight rise in risk over the next few days. Overall, 13 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $7.57 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the stock was $602.95, while the lowest price stood at $279.40. Currently, the price is 6.51%, or $39.26, below the 52-week high of $602.95, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Meta Platforms Incorporated, or Meta, is on track to surpass high earnings expectations for its third quarter. Analysts are projecting revenue of $40.4 billion and earnings per share of $5.35. This exceeds the street consensus of $40.2 billion in revenue and $5.19 in earnings per share, indicating robust operational performance. Such optimistic forecasts may generate upward momentum in the stock price in the short term as investors respond to the anticipated earnings beat. With solid fundamentals and significant integration of artificial intelligence contributing to its growth, Meta's stock has risen 62% year to date. However, despite this notable performance, concerns persist regarding rising capital expenditures and ongoing losses in its Reality Labs segment, which could constrain future returns and suggest that the stock's valuation has outstripped its fundamentals. This dual narrative might temper enthusiasm among some investors, leading to a more cautious trading approach in the longer term. As part of the Magnificent Seven group, Meta's earnings will be closely examined alongside other technology giants like Apple and Amazon, as their combined performance is expected to influence market sentiment towards tech stocks. A strong earnings release could not only reinforce Meta's standing, but also spark a broader rally among these major stocks, boosting investor confidence in the technology sector. Nevertheless, analysts caution investors to remain vigilant, as market dynamics could evolve with changing economic conditions and company-specific hurdles. The forthcoming earnings report will be pivotal in shaping both short-term price movements and long-term investor sentiment. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, it was reported that JMP Securities assigned Meta a market outperform rating, accompanied by a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 22nd of October, 2024, Bank of America Securities rated Meta with a buy recommendation, also suggesting a hold action. On the same day, Jefferies also provided Meta with a buy rating and a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, Cowen and Company issued a buy rating for Meta, along with a hold action. On that same day, Deutsche Bank rated Meta with an outperform grade and similarly recommended a hold action. Analysts have assigned Meta stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio similarly as a strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Meta. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, October 4th, 2024, and so far, it has fallen by 5.41%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting that close monitoring of the stock is advisable. Some positive signals have also emerged, which could influence short-term developments. The Meta stock currently holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, there exists a general buy signal for the stock, offering a positive forecast. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $576.76. Conversely, in the event of a decline, the stock will find support from the long-term average at approximately $560.52. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 14 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 21 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 35 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 54 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 57 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal from 50 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Meta finds support from accumulated volume at $561.35, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. Generally, the stock exhibits very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered quite low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $22.50 between its high and low, representing a change of 4%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.12%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Meta, let's quickly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, let's look at the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively typical PE ratio, often observed in businesses with established histories or stable revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 30th of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $5.17. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta is at $568.31. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $561.35. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 18th of October, 2024, Olive and Javier conducted an insider sale of 413 shares of Class A common stock. On the 15th of October, 2024, Newstead Jennifer conducted an insider sale of 905 shares of Class A common stock. On the 14th of October, 2024, Zuckerberg Mark conducted an insider sale of 84 shares of Class A common stock. On the 11th of October, 2024, Olive and Javier conducted an insider sale of 413 shares of Class A common stock. On the 8th of October, 2024, L.I. Susan J. conducted an insider sale of 22,988 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 71.852. Overall, insiders purchased 22,988 shares and sold 149,616 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $541.27, which reflects a decline of 3.98%. This stock experiences very low daily movements, resulting in minimal risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 13 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Several of the signals and indicators are negative, and we believe this will influence the development over the coming days and possibly weeks. However, we think today's level presents a potential buying opportunity, with prices likely to rise during or by the end of this 3-month period. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 24th of October, we anticipate Meta to open at approximately $6.71 and begin trading around $570.40. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that it is advisable to consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.